Hey, what's up everybody? This is Los with RV'er Rentals, and tonight I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Champion generator. As you can see here, it's a portable generator. We've got another one sitting here that we've used for 2021, and this one we bought for our grand design. It's the same exact one, 4,375 starting watts, 3,500 running watts, 14-hour runtime. 6 to 8 decibels, so it's somewhat kind of loud. It's a little bit above a normal conversation, but this has been kind of good to us. We've used it for our 2021, and it has it's a 30 amp, but it's RV ready. It'll literally run your air conditioner, your heater. It'll do anything you need to do, and it's fairly inexpensive. We spent under 400 bucks for both of them. This one we bought at Cabela's, and this one I bought today at North 40 Outfitters. All right, now that we've got that unpacked and got the shipping brackets off, next step is to add oil. So next step is to get some fuel in it. And then what we're gonna do after that is I'm in a garage, so I'm gonna open up the garage door and get it started. All right, so next thing we want to do is turn this fuel valve on. And it's got a nice little switch here, so basically just turn that sucker on. And it looks like the choke is already set, but we want to have it all the way to the left here. It's like a soul. Now we crank it up. There you guys go. So this Champion generator's been great. You know, our other generator that we have, this one looks like it's a little bit more of an updated version than the one we bought at Cabela's, because we did buy it last year, but it's worked for us. It's a great generator. It isn't a Honda, you know, the decibels are about 68 decibels, so it's somewhat loud, but not super loud. Super easy to operate, you know, for a beginning RV'er or renter or anything like that. It's definitely a generator that anybody can, it's just a plug and play. All I had to do is just remove the brackets, make sure the oil was in there, give it a go, start, and it started right up, literally the first one. So anyways, guys, consider subscribing to the channel, give me a like, and if there's other generators that you guys like, you know, feel free to leave me a comment. If there's something else that you guys would have done, or maybe a suggestion, you know, I'm totally open to them. But hope this helps. And again, till next time.